Magandang araw po teachers! Welcome back po dito sa Learning Pal, kung saan po tayo nag-share ng latest DepEd news and updates and free learning materials. So para po sa balita po natin ngayon ay meron po tayong good news from GMA News Online. So according po dito ay Sani Angara vows full support to raise teacher salaries. So check po natin yung details. So incoming Education Secretary Senator Sani Angara on Wednesday said that he would study the proposal to increase the entry-level salary of public school teachers to 50,000 pesos. So sabi rin po niya dito sa article ay hindi lang po salary ang gustong i-improve or yung working conditions po ng teachers, but also to improve yung salaries and benefits po ng ating mga aguruan. Ang sweldo is set by the Congress according to him kapag nagkaroon daw tayo na increases o aumento sa sahod ng mga empleyado ng gobyerno ay 100% supportado po tayo ng ating DepEd Secretary at yan po ay napatunayan pa po nung siya ay member po ng Senate Committee on Finance. Senator and incoming DepEd Secretary Angara will support ito po itong 50,000 in coordination with the other agencies like the Department of Finance and Department of Budget and Management. So sabi po niya ay tignan ho natin, pag-aralan natin, let's see and study it. Pero tayo ay 100% in support po tayo for all these teachers increases dahil alam natin na apektado yung kalidad ng edukasyon kapag talagang inspired yung mga teachers at para ma-attract yung mga best or yung mga pinakamagagaling. Kung actually proposal, meron na pong naka-file na bill to increase our salary to 50,000 yung entry level by the Makabayan Bloc lawmakers headed by Franz Castro of ACT Teachers Party List. So sabi po ay the proposed substantial salary increase for public school teachers was made to close the gap between their salaries and the cost of living. And they said it also addressed the distortion created by the doubling of entry-level pay of military and uniform personnel. So, according po kay incoming Deputy Secretary Angara, he aims to give teachers better working conditions by reducing their non-teaching tasks so they could concentrate on their main duty. Okay? So, let's hope and pray na ito pong mga study, ito pong mga pangako ng ating incoming Deputy Secretary ay matupad at para po sa ating mga agurian na umaasa po na magkaroon po ng substantial salary increase na hiningi po natin. So yun na po at maraming salamat. So don't forget po to subscribe and hit that notification bell para updated po tayo sa mga bagong balita about DepEd and for free educational materials. Maraming salamat po.